Don't let a power outage leave you in the dark. Your Ford F-150 PowerBoost Hybrid with 7.2 kilowatt Pro Power Onboard or F-150 Lightning Truck with 9.6 kilowatt Pro Power Onboard, combined with the GenerLink transfer switch, GenerLok cord, and the Ford vehicle connector, can become a powerful generator for your home. This video will guide you through the simple steps to get your home powered up safely and efficiently during an outage. After you've worked with a licensed electrician or utility to install a GenerLink transfer switch at your home. First, confirm that your area is experiencing a power outage by visiting your electricity provider's power outage page. Once confirmed, move your truck close enough to connect the cables from your truck to your electric meter. If you have an F-150 PowerBoost Hybrid, make sure to park your truck outside. Go to the home's electrical panel and turn the main utility breaker and the rest of the circuits on your main panel to the off position. Take the GenerLink cable and plug it firmly into the GenerLink transfer switch on your home's electrical meter. Make sure the notch in the meter plug aligns with the notch in the GenerLok cord. Listen for a snap to confirm it's securely in place. Next, take the Ford vehicle connector and plug it securely into your GenerLok cord. Then, plug the assembled cable into the 240-volt Pro Power Onboard outlet located in the bed of your truck. Make sure both connections are snug. Return to your truck and start the vehicle. On your truck's center display, navigate to the Pro Power Onboard settings. You'll see a prompt asking, "Supply power to the outlet?" Select Yes. You'll then need to acknowledge the safety message, "Only use vehicle outside." Before flipping the main breaker back on, identify the most essential circuits and flip those breakers on. Make sure to start small so you don't draw too much power. Flip the main utility breaker in your electric panel back to the on position. If you are close to the meter, you will hear a distinct click. That's your GenerLink transfer switch engaging. The GenerLink transfer switch light will change from green, indicating utility power, to blue, signifying alternate source power. During an actual outage, only the blue light will illuminate. If you're testing, both blue and green lights might be visible. Your home is now receiving power from your truck. Inside your truck, you can monitor your home's wattage with the Pro Power Onboard interface through your center display. If you do overload Pro Power Onboard, a reset message will appear. Head to your electrical panel and restart the process from the beginning. Remember to continuously monitor your truck's fuel level or high-voltage battery to help ensure uninterrupted power. Always follow all safety guidelines provided with your GenerLink transfer switch system and F-150 PowerBoost Hybrid or F-150 Lightning Owner's Manual. Plug in, power on.